Today's topic is to find all the numbers in a string using a regular expression. So what the regular expression? The regular expression in a programming language is nothing but just a special text for a string which is going to describe a search pattern completely. So this whole library, the RE, the regular expression, is basically based on a patterns. Now when we talk about it, we are using a method which is an array.finder over here. So we use this method if we need to go through each and every string again and again, and it returns a list. So we are storing them into the list bin. So as you can see it over here, first we are going to import our library, that is RE. After that we are going to take an input from the user, that is enter a string with a number. After that we are going to use the method which is going to search the digits over here, and in the iteration which is in which it's going to search, and we are storing them into the list one. So over here the slash d, which means that the digits, it's going to search for the digits and it's going to take them and it's going to store them into the list one variable. So the slash d means that, and the R and the code slash d is basically the syntax that how you write a regular expression. Now as you can see it over here, our string, as you can see I have included a minus 12.32 and a white indent space and a 21, since it didn't recognize the minus nor the decimal point. So if you need to include it, then we can even have it like, if you need to include the minus and a plus, then you can add a minus one and a question mark to go through that. And if you need to include the decimal points, then you can even add the decimal and then run it. And as you can see it, after using this code, it included a minus 122 and a decimal which is 0.231 and a 21.